Иван Куратов «Мена муза». Читает ученица 7 класса Куратовской средней школы Куликова Таисия. Перевел на английский Уолтер Мэй. My muse. My dear muse, Mackwell, is not for sale. To the market I will send no verses. Do not help to open people's purses. Soft, my muse and I, our voices try. If the slighted falseness we should utter, who at such falseness will start to mutter, we ourselves shall laugh such slips to shame, and in hottest flame, in the stove, the notebook goes. Soon we'll try our hand out on the public. Soon we'll introduce a larger subject. May our poems that hypocrite expose. Him who goes in long white skirted robes, that great parasite, fatter than his brother, who is flushed with blood sucked out of other. May show good folk without a fuzzing, who through this life go cold and starving, happiness waiting after death's dark parting. My dear muse, Mackwell, I'll never sell.